everyone. Let us see the examples. So these are all are coming under pure recurring decimals. We are going to find out how to convert these pure recurring decimals into rational form. Pure recurring decimals. Now let us see here the first sum. X is equal to 0.353535 and so on. Because 35 is repeating, that's why I have kept many times. How many decimal places are there? There are 2 decimal places are there. So I am going to multiply this x with 100. 100x is equal to 0.353535 and so on multiplied by 100. Whenever you multiply by 100, the decimal will move 2 places towards my right. That is 100x is equal to, the decimal will move from here to here, that is 35.35 and so on. From this x value you take away, that is 0.3535 and so on. Here 0, 0, 0, 0, 35 equal to here 99x. X equal to 35 upon 99. In those two numbers, any number will go for cancellation, it won't go. Therefore, rational number with respect to 0.35 is 35 upon 99. Let us go for another example. 0.585 bar. That is x is equal to 0.585 and so on. Got it? In how many decimal places are there? There are 3 decimal places. So I should multiply this x with 1 followed by 3 zeros, that is 1000x equal to 0.585 and so on times 1000. So here 1000x equal to, this will go 3 places, that is 585.585 and so on. From that take away x value, that is 0.585 and so on, 0, 0, 0, 5, 8, 5 equal to x. Here 1x means 1000 minus 1. How much? 999. X equal to 585 upon 999. Any cancellation? 10, 8, 18, 9. 3 table will go. Or 9 table also will go. 9, 9 6 are 54. 4, 5. 9 5 are 45. Here 9 table 1 1 1. 3 table will go here. 11 won't go. So x is equal to 65 upon 111. Therefore 0.585 bar equal to 65 upon 111. Clear? The same manner, one more example you see. X equal to 1.272727 and so on. There are 2 decimal places, so I am multiplying with 100. 100x is equal to 1.272727 and so on multiplied by 100. 100x equal to 127.2727 and so on. From that x you take away 1.2727 and so on. 0, 0, 0, 0, 6 equal to 99x. X equal to 126 upon 99. 3 table will go. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s 3 3s. No other table. X is equal to 42 upon 33. Therefore, 1.27 bar equal to, here 3 table will go. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 11s. 14 upon 11. Is it clear? So here from this, easily we can find out, maybe once we take it up, 35. There are 2 decimal places, 100. 100 minus 1, 99. 585, 3 decimal places, 1000. 1000 minus 1, that is 585 by 999. 127. 127 bar is actually 27 upon, it should be 100. But here 127 minus 1 upon 100 minus 1, 99. There are tricks also we can derive from this. But this is the way to convert a pure recurring decimal into a rational form. Clear? Thank you.